Hi friends, today I'm going to unbox two new cubes. I'm so excited to show you, so let's open. It's a Megaminx. And this is a 4x4. Wow! So soon I'll figure out how to solve this and get back to you. Okay. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.